third part. We are on 34th Avenue. Even here, the branch has fallen down. This road is clean, no damage. Even this is clean. 88th Street, 89th Street there was some damage. 88 seems good, and I think there is one tree fallen in 34th Avenue, right over there. Let's see if there is any car damage over there. People are happy they survived Hurricane Irene. They're taking some pictures, and there is one tree fallen over here, and luckily no car got hit. It's from this tree. The root is there, but they built it back. It's just one intersection, 87 and 34th Avenue. So far, let's see. Oh, there's more tree fallen over there. I think there are some damage over there.